On our radar is Mahanagar Gas. The stock slumps in trade after reporting its Q4 numbers. Sonal, tell us more.
Well, it's a margin miss that the street doesn't seem to like. Volumes are largely in line with what the street was working with. Revenues are flat on a quarter-on-quarter basis at 1567 crore rupees. We have EBITDA which declined 12% to come in at 394 crore rupees. Margins lower at 25%. The poll suggested a margin number of 27%, so it's lower than that as well. Profits are down 16% to come in at 264 crore rupees, lower than the poll again. Now, let's talk about the volumes. Absolutely in line with estimates at 3.77 MMSCMD. The EBITDA per SCM, though, it declined for the company. The gross margins came in at a 5-quarter low of 17.7 rupees per SCM. And if we talk about the split, CNG volumes increased 11%, domestic volumes, that is the PNG volumes, increased 10%, the industrial volumes increased 22%. So yes, the volumes were in line with what the street was working with. It's the margin picture which looks bleak and could be because of higher gas costs. The APM gas allocation has reduced. That's what IGL suggested, but we'll get more details from the management because the conference call is at 4 p.m. today. So we'll try and understand what has led to this decline in margins this time around, because Mahanagar Gas was one stock amongst all the city gas distribution companies that always outperformed on margins. But this time around, that has not been the case. So we'll get the reasons on the con call today.
Well, thank you so much for that. Clearly, CGD companies reacting quite sharply after the results. But the next company that we're focusing now